So, Gemini Rendezvous Part 2, performing the rendezvous transfer burn. Now, I did accidentally mess up the last video, which was perfect, of course, and I had to do the launch over again. I used a pre-launch scenario instead of cold and dark. And in the pre-launch scenario, there is a bug where the Agena spawns in the wrong spot. So this does affect your transfer time. We can see now we're at actually 45 hours. If you do the cold and dark scenario, this is not a bug that happens, but it's also not much to worry about anyways, because the Gemini is capable of staying in orbit for sufficiently longer. As you can see, we've got still 45, or we only went through 20% of our cryo in 45 hours, so it's plenty of time. So now, of course, you would request your rendezvous transfer burn. You get your DCS stuff up, and then you verify. Same thing as before. Cores 1, 2, 25. 25, 26, and 27. Good. And once you are close to the ignition time, which is 58 minutes for us, you can start the computer. So we'll take a computer into start now. '53 or 58:44. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ignition. So same as before. This time, we're not going to burn impulsively, though. We're going to use our attitude, our pitch, and our yaw to actually self-correct our left and right and our up and down. So this is a non-impulsive burn, and this is because the burn lasts quite a long time, right? So we want to be as accurate with that rendezvous insertion as possible. So here we'll complete the burn. Burn is complete. If we do check our map, we have a very good insertion. At this point, the computer may want to load a second burn, but the tutorial teaches, and I agree, that you use circ app instead. So reset the computer, wipe that out, and at this point, you'll take your rendezvous radar into standby to get that heater turned on. Exterior lights to dock, radar encoder, the Agena radar encoder on, and you'll extend your index for docking. Now, all you need to do is wait to drift towards the target. And that completes the Gemini Part 2 of Rendezvous.